The future of AI, exploring the benefits and challenges of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. From improving healthcare and transportation to optimizing business operations and enhancing cybersecurity, AI is transforming various industries and creating new opportunities for innovation. However, this transformative technology also poses some challenges and risks that must be addressed to ensure its responsible use and deployment. Benefits of AI. One of the main benefits of AI is its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data faster and more accurately than humans. This capability makes AI particularly valuable in fields such as healthcare, where it can help identify patterns and insights in patient data to support clinical decision-making and improve patient outcomes. AI can also automate routine tasks and processes, freeing up time and resources for more creative and strategic work. In addition, AI can help enhance customer experiences and personalize interactions, which is particularly valuable for businesses in the service industry. Chatbots and virtual assistants, powered by AI, can provide 24/7 customer support, answer questions, and help customers navigate through products and services. Challenges of AI. While AI holds great promise, it also poses several challenges that must be addressed to ensure its responsible and ethical use. One of the main challenges is bias. AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on, and if the data used to train an AI system is biased, the system will produce biased results. This can have serious consequences in areas such as healthcare, where biased algorithms can lead to inaccurate diagnoses and treatment recommendations. Another challenge of AI is transparency. Many AI systems operate as black boxes, meaning it is difficult to understand how they make decisions or why they produce certain results. Conclusion. AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries and create new opportunities for innovation and growth. However, the benefits of AI must be balanced with the challenges and risks it poses. Addressing issues such as bias, transparency, privacy, and security will be critical to ensuring the responsible and ethical use of AI in the years to come. By working together to address these challenges, we can unlock the full potential of AI and create a brighter future for all.